Hello from sunny California. Today I'm going to make chicken cotoletta. Is Italian breaded chicken and is mainly used for chicken parmigiana. And you can make sauce with it, marinara sauce and some cheese on the top and bake it at the end. But I'm just gonna make it with lemon juice because here it's been really hot today. It's been 106 and I'm gonna make it with lemon juice. I'm gonna bread it and I'm gonna make some fresh broccoli, steamed broccoli on the side, and bottled noodles. No marinara sauce today for us. You can make this chicken very easily just with few ingredients, and it takes literally no time. It's very easy. I'll show you how. Let's do it. Okay, all you need is I have like a pound and a half of chicken tenders right there. I have about 4 eggs, beaten old fashioned, and 2 lemons. We're gonna need it at the end, salt and pepper, and I always put Parmesan cheese in my egg. And I have plain breadcrumbs. I like it to have it plain because I put all my ingredients in the egg. I put the salt, the pepper, the Parmesan cheese in there. I don't put anything in the breadcrumbs. So those are just ingredients for the egg, for the chicken. And right here I have about half a cup, a little bit more than half a cup of canola oil. You can use vegetable oil, and I'm gonna cook some of those delicious Italian egg noodles. And I'm gonna make it like just butter and parsley. And I have fresh broccoli right here, so that's gonna go on the side as well. It's gonna be a delicious dinner. Let's do it. Okay, I have some broccoli cleaned and chopped, and I'm waiting for the water to boil, and I'm gonna just put them in there. And salted water, just put a little bit of salt in that water, and you'll be good. Okay, we're waiting for the water for the pasta to boil for the egg noodles, and we're waiting for the water for the broccoli to boil, and I put the heat on for the oil. And so while we're waiting for that, we're gonna start breading our chicken. Okay, let's start with the eggs. I like to beat them like this, like old-fashioned. I use a fork and make sure it's nice and smooth. And I put Parmesan cheese. I like to put Parmesan cheese in a lot of my recipes. It just gives it a better flavor. It kicks it up a notch. Let's see. So I like to be more than generous with this because I love the flavor, like I said. And I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. That's where all the flavor is gonna be, actually, in the egg. The egg is gonna be full of flavor. The breadcrumb, I leave it plain. And however you like it, more salt, more pepper, whatever you fancy. It'll taste better for your buds. Here we go. So mix that very well. And I have my bread here, my breadcrumbs. Let me move it closer so you can see. And I have a clean plate here. We're just gonna put the chicken on there. So all the goodies are gonna be in the egg. So we're gonna go with the egg. You don't need flour for this recipe. It's just egg and breadcrumb. Okay, so make sure you dip the chicken in really good. Give it all the flavors of the egg mixture. And then we're gonna bread it with breadcrumbs. Okay, here we go. So you do it like that. I can feel the oil is getting ready. It's getting hot. Make sure the oil is really hot and be careful. So we're going to bread this, and we'll do the whole 1.5 pounds of chicken that way. Let me wash my hands. Okay, make sure your oil is really hot. Here it is, mine, and I'm going to cook the chicken. And also make sure you have another plate with some paper towel. I put my flame is on medium right now. So I'm gonna turn it in about a couple of minutes. Okay, I believe they're ready to turn right now. Let's see. They've been cooking for a couple of minutes. A couple of minutes on each side. Until they're golden and cook through. You can cover them if you want. You can put a cover on it. They'll cook faster that way. And let's let it cook for another minute. Okay, that's just ready. We're gonna take it off. Looks nice and golden, especially on this side right here. We're going to put it on a dry paper towel. And ready to cook the rest of them. I already got some breaded right here. I was working on that while the other ones are cooking. Okay, I have my broccoli steaming right here and my egg noodle cooking right here. They're gonna be buttered and noodle on the side. And my chicken is cooking. I have my chicken cooking right here. We are ready to turn it. Let's see. Yep, it's just about done. Turn it the other way. It looks delicious. It looks good. It's cooking really good. And then when your oil gets too old, I can't see. When your oil gets too old, just add some more clean oil to it. I mean, when your oil gets too much breading going on in there. Okay, here it goes, cooking up. And here it is, delicious dinner. I got my butter noodles, I got my broccoli, perfectly cooked, not too soft, not too hard, and my chicken, my breaded chicken. Like I said, I like to put lemon juice on it instead of sauce. It's really good that way. I'm gonna try some like this. So when it's so hot, I don't feel like eating red sauce, tomato sauce, marinara sauce and such. I just like some fresh lemon juice on my breaded chicken. So here it is. Here you have it. Bon appetit.